Okay, I'm here in Pheriche. We're at the tea house where we stay at the Himalayan Lodge. And just wanted to show a quick video view of the new medical clinic that we opened. It's been open since 1973, but we took down the old buildings and built new ones, and they look fantastic. This is the lecture hall, where every day at 3 o'clock, the two doctors there's three Western doctors here and a Nepalese doctor, and they do a lecture for high altitude illness, mostly for local trekkers and climbers that come up. And then here's the new building here. Looks fantastic. It's got a little ways to go on the inside, but it's working, and we cut the ribbon on it last week when we were coming up through here. This is a memorial for all of the climbers that have been killed on Mount Everest over the years, since the very first ones in 1922. And that was on the north side. And then, of course, they started climbing over here in 1952, 51 reconnaissance, 52 climbing, 53 first summit. But Pheriche is beautiful. You can see the mountains up above, Pheriche and Cholatse. And we look up the valley towards Lovace and head that way. But medical clinics come out really nice. We're happy to have it in its final stages, I guess, where we'll I guess the vision is to put a courtyard on here and a nice entrance and make it a real proud place for the local people here in Pheriche and the surrounding areas that come to seek medical attention throughout the year. So this clinic operates for trekkers and climbers and locals in the spring and fall tourist season, but we're gonna also occupy it with a local doctor in the summer months, because in Pheriche in the summer months they do quite a lot of farming here, growing potatoes and other things, and we want to make sure that they have the doctors for local villagers, which is also very important, mostly important. And really proud to see it become a real centerpiece of this village. It's a beautiful building. The lecture hall's beautiful. It was great. We had the Himalayan Rescue Association representatives in, and two representatives from the United States Embassy when we cut the ribbon. And it's going to be really nice. We're going to finish it strong, and it'll be here for years to come. So we built this through Worldwide Trekking's nonprofit, the Human Outreach Project. It's our nonprofit that is committed to giving back to the local areas where we travel and visit and run our programs. Cool was the sponsor, our main sponsor here, funding the project, the clothing company Cool. And I want to thank them for their support, and all of our supporters at the Human Outreach Project, and all of the people that come on our trips at Worldwide Trekking. These kind of programs don't happen without your support, and we really do appreciate it. It's very important to me as the owner of the business and the founder to make sure that we continue to give back to the local communities. And one thing I've learned about Worldwide Trekking over the years is wherever we go and whatever we do, we're in beautiful places, and we bring people to explore them and see them and enjoy them. But at the end of the day, it's all about the people. It's all about the cultures that we visit and the people that welcome us. And it's just such a special experience, and really proud of this new building with the Himalayan Rescue Association, the medical clinic here in Pheriche, Nepal. We're at 14,300 feet, and yeah, it's going to be great project, great program, serve a lot of people. for years to come. Thanks a lot.